Okay, time for my first day of school.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me bursting through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon.
I don't know if we're ever gonna get someone
In a magic way.
someone that I'll actually go out with. Marcus, you killed a girl in literally 5 seconds. While you ratted the kid of me.
I can't forget the day we met. You look so fly in your red carpet.
So, are you saying I would look
everything when I see it all.
Exactly.
That you were mine.
What about me?
With your hair, your lips, your
Some girls like the fat
in the
guys, some
moonlight
girls like the
shine.
skinny
With my
guys,
love,
so
you won't
you're kind of
ever be alone. My summer love, been waiting for you,
Oh,
my love.
okay.
Completely a fool, been waiting for you, my love.
So, you guys know what the girl looks like? Listen, Marcus, she's literally right there. Oh. I'm never talked to her. No, you're not. Why not? We need to get some more people in this
You have
group.
my heart, you have my soul, you
No.
have my whole, you have my
We
control.
don't.
Love me tender, love me sweet.
We don't
With
need
you I
anybody
know
that's
that I'm
ugly.
complete. I'm in love with
Well,
you so
we already
much
have
that
one.
for
We don't
you
need
I'd
another
give my
one.
life
Are you
away.
saying I'm ugly?
Never leave me,
Oh,
never let me
no,
go,
no,
my
no.
summer
I'm just saying we need a little touch up on your feathers.
my summer love.
Fine, guys, I'll leave. I don't care. And it'll come whining back to us in probably 2 seconds. So that's the new girl. Okay. I guess I could say hi to her. Hey, she's a bird too. Well, it won't be that bad of a year. Hey, ma'am, excuse me? Oh, hello, sorry, do I know you? Oh, sorry, I'm Marcus. Nice to meet you, I'm Misty. Oh, well, nice to meet you, Misty. So do you want to hang out? Oh, I thought you were hanging out with the guys. Oh, it can be a real crackhead sometimes, so I'll talk to him later. Oh. Sorry to freak you out. No, it's fine. I'm just, I don't know. Do you think I fit in here? You're like the other of us, so yeah. Okay, thanks, Marcus. I gotta go actually, so see you bullet. Huh? Oh, hi Marcus. Hey Shelly, I have a real problem. Oh, well, what's the problem? Well, you see, there's this new girl. And, oh, Misty, have you already fallen in love with her or something? Well, I mean, yes, you could say that, but I think I just blew my chance with her. Well, can't really help you there. Sorry, you're just gonna have to somehow make it up to her or something. I'm really sorry. I gotta talk back to Austin, so. Of course, she's no help. Maybe I'll find someone else. Hey, excuse me, Diane. Oh, hey Marcus, what's up? Okay, so I have a big problem. And what would that problem be? Okay, so there's this new girl, and I can't forget that of course, Marcus, don't you blow it with every girl? Basically, yeah, that's probably why I don't have a girlfriend. Do you think you can help me out? How do I fix it? Well, the first thing is you just gotta talk to her. Just, like, tell her you're sorry for making her feel uncomfortable, or just forget it. I would just forget it. She can't be that pretty. Yeah, she is. Prettier than me? Okay, Diana, this is just getting weird. I'm sorry. Anyway, that's basically all my advice. Okay, I'm just gonna talk to someone else. Okay, suit yourself. What? After class. Oh my dog, I'm so sorry. Oh, Marcus, no, it's fine. You wanted to talk to me right now, you know? Oh, yeah, about that, Misty. Did I make you feel uncomfortable earlier? I mean, a little bit, but I was almost late for class, so I had to go even. Okay, I hope I didn't blow. What did you blow? Oh, nothing. Listen, can we just talk over there? Sure. I don't have anybody else to talk to. No one really. Oh. Okay. Hey guys, I'm gonna go talk to them over there. Okay, Roxy, go ahead. Hey guys. Oh, Roxy. Okay. Misty, this is Roxy. Roxy, this is Misty. Nice to meet you, Misty. I'm Roxy, like you said. Oh, nice to meet you. Don't you eat me? What? Oh, nothing. Sorry. Okay, so like, Marcus, who is this chick? Is she like your girlfriend? No, we're just friends. We're just no. Yeah. Sorry. What happened? The lights went out. What the heck? Okay, I don't know what happened. That was weird. Let's just go. Okay.
You have my heart, you have my soul, you have my whole, you have my control.
The next day, 2 years later, okay, we've known each other for almost 3 years. Told her with her friends. I don't know how you do this without them. So, are you guys and Marcus dating? No, we're still friends. I've been waiting for him to ask me though. Oh, come on. If you just ask him, he'll most likely say yes. I mean, he's been talking to me about you. Really? Yeah. Don't think I was supposed to tell you that. So I'm just gonna go to the bathroom. I'll be back.
I can't forget that
okay. Don't be too long.
I can't forget that we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. I love you like a summer's day, hot and endless in a
You seem so worried about him like he's not. Dad? Well, we're friends. You mean you're dating? No, we're just friends. What's wrong? I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette in the moonlight shine. Oh, come on. Here he comes now. What?